Hi guys, I'm Ipsita and welcome back to my channel. So in my first video, the day in life of a business analyst, I have received insane amount of support and love from you guys. And you guys won't believe I am almost at 4.5k views on that video. So that is like a huge number for me. My main motive of uploading that video was that I wanted to show you guys that there are some other roles other than software engineering roles which are really common nowadays. I myself came to know about that role when I started sitting for my campus placements. Coming to today's video, so this video is something which is a really important video if you are looking to get into a job or if you've just started working. So this talks about the things that you come to realize once you start working and earning for yourself. The first question that comes to your mind once you start earning and getting that money in your account is that how do I budget my expenses? So there's this really simple rule that I learned from my friend which is known as 50-30-20 rule. So what this rule says is that suppose you earn around X amount in a month. So around 50% of this X amount should be used up in your basic needs. So now the question comes is, what are your basic needs? So basic needs are basically your rent that you have to pay every month, your groceries that you need to buy, your electricity bill, your water bill, your phone bill, your internet expenses. If you have a maid, so the money that you pay to your maid. So all these basic things that you can't live without every month is known as basic expenses. So you must plan your basic expenses in such a way that 50% of your monthly income goes to that basic expenses. Next, let's come to the 30% of this amount. So 30% of this expenses should be used in something that you love to do. So for me, 30% of my personal expenses are basically shopping, dining out, going to watch a movie, going for some travel, investing in some vlogging gear which I love to do. So all these are something that are additional expenses which you can live without, but these are things you would like to spend your money on. Now let's come to the 20% of this X amount. So this 20% you should invest. You can open up a mutual fund, you can buy some stocks in some companies so that your money grows year after year, and that is how you can budget your monthly expenses. The second thing I feel is something that is very important, because in India when sometimes people graduate, they get into a role which they are not suited for, and then they come to realize it after like 2-3 months of working. So at that point of time, what should you do? My suggestion is that if you don't like the role you are in, like you should go for something which you are suited for. So rather than working in the same profile that you don't enjoy for 3 to 5 years, it's better that you switch into some other profile that you are interested in after 6 months or after a year. That does not mean that you can't switch your profile after 3 to 5 years of working. You obviously can, but after 3 to 5 years, switching from one job to another and again starting from scratch is something that I feel is not wise. You can always go for some other kind of qualification like MBA, or you can do an MS, but like if you don't want to do a MS or if you don't want to go for an MBA but you think that you are suited for some other role, please there are so many courses online. Just go through those courses while you were still working on your current job, and then switch to that role that you were looking for. The third most important thing is that you should not be in a toxic workplace. So if you don't love your colleagues, or if you don't love your work or the company, please go for something that is better. Do not be pushing yourself into a position that you were not satisfied in. So if you don't like your workplace, or if you feel that your workplace is toxic, please switch to a better company. Trust me, there are a lot of better things out there. You just have to make up your mind to be courageous and take that step. The the fourth thing which many people ignore is the place that they choose as their accommodation. Especially in the COVID era or even after the COVID era, I feel the workplace is going to transform drastically. So a lot of companies might be going for this work from home culture. So once you start earning, make sure that the place that you choose to stay is a peaceful place. So I'll share a personal backstory. So when I started with my first job, the first PG that I stayed in, like we used to face water problems almost every day. And trust me, you don't want to come back from the office and that there is no water in the taps. That is not a good feeling at all. So make sure that the place that you stay in is something that provides you mental peace, and that is something that you can call home. Okay, now the last thing that you should know is that you work so hard and you deserve those holidays that you have in your balance. Rather than stacking up your leaves, please use them, because that is why your company gives you leaves, right? To take off some time for yourself and enjoy. Please use that time productively, learning a new skill or upskilling yourself, or go for a vacation to totally relax and do nothing, or do nothing at home and enjoy. But take the time off. That will really help you maintain your mental balance. I hope this video was really useful for you guys. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Let the knowledge flowing and community growing. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss an update whenever I upload. I'll see you guys next Monday with a new video. Bye!